Elevate your quantity surveying career with this comprehensive practical course designed for both consultancy and contracting professionals. Whether you are looking to master the fundamentals of the QS role or are preparing to ace your RICS APC final assessment, this course provides the technical depth and strategic insight needed to succeed. Keep watching this video to find out more. Our online course bridges the gap between the theory and practice, walking you through the critical life cycle of a project, from initial design economics to the final account. You will acquire the tools you need to provide high-level strategic advice, ensuring your client's objectives are met from inception to completion. The curriculum is divided into 6 core modules, specifically curated to address high-value and complex areas of the profession. MEP Basics, demystifying mechanical, electrical and plumbing systems. Procurement, navigating the routes to project delivery. Tendering, mastering the art of the bid process. Substructure, understanding everything below ground level. Superstructure, developing expertise in the building's frame and envelope. Measurement, refining your accuracy in quantification. Each module is structured to ensure maximum retention and practical application. Instructional video, expert-led walkthroughs of core concepts. Revision guide, a concise reference for your ongoing studies. Revision quiz, test your knowledge instantly. Practical worksheet, apply what you've learned to real-world scenarios. Your answer is submitted to one of our chartered quantity surveyors to be reviewed and feedback provided. Upon successful completion of all 6 modules and review of your worksheets, you will receive a CPD certificate confirming 20 hours of structured formal professional development. How does it work? Purchase your course, receive your login details by email, access the course and study at your own pace. Any questions or want to find out more, feel free to get in touch through email, online chat box or by a phone call.